Someone! Save me!
Attack the monsters and stop the disaster from spreading.
So, the war has begun.
Those things are attacking the city!
People here are all civilians. Can't just let those monsters attack them.
Sergeant, perfect timing. Please support us. There's no time to waste. We must minimize the casualties.
I see.
Are you alive?
We will join the fight.
There's no time for rest!
Anywhere safe?
All we can do is fight. Protect the civilians.
I don't want to die!
Machine guns.
Which freaking country made these weapons? How can anyone create those horrible things? I'll find out who's behind all this horrible stuff and teach the guy a lesson. If only they were created by man.
Hit and burn!
Sergeant, move with tanks. They can block off the acid from the monsters. Once the monsters get close, move with the tanks.
Destroy the pylons before they ruin the city! The city will be doomed if we don't destroy the pylons!
Fire!
They're sounding off the alarm!
Looks like it's not safe here either.
You deserve my praise.
I promise I will take you to a safe place this time after we deal with the pylons. Entering the range.
Sergeant, thank you for your support.
Please tell me, when will we start a counterattack?
Sergeant, the enemy is much stronger than you can imagine. The whole world is being attacked right now. We already have our hands full with managing the situation.
Take this!
Not even the EDF will understand. This attack is well planned. We're being attacked! Reloading! Back up!
Machine guns! Fire!
Here is a follow-up report on the flying objects. They seem to be dropping monsters in various different places. The flying objects are extremely dangerous, so we urge you to keep a safe distance if you come across one.
Tanks, move out!
Don't mess with me!
The tanks will support the infantry.
Machine guns!
Shoot them as they draw closer!
Get into the shooting range.
Machine guns!
I'll leave the front to you!
Machine guns! Machine guns!
Good, keep it up.
Civilian, get out of there alive.
Destroy the pylons. Attack the top part.
Tow all enemies down!
Machine guns!
This is the Strategic Intelligence Division. We will support you in the combat.
Thank you for the support.
Based on the falling trajectories of the pylons, we've determined the location of the gigantic ship.
So that's the ship that deploys those pylons.
It's flying above the combat area now. It may deploy pylons. Please be on high alert to the sky.
Entering the range.
Up there! The pylons are crashing down!
Calm down. Go too far.
Machine guns!
Crap! Who the hell is behind all this?
Destroy the pylons before they cause more damage!
The helicopter squad will arrive soon. Ground troops, hold your ground before they're here.
This is Eagle 1. We're being attacked by UFOs.
Did you see that?
I'm impressed.
Towards the left!
This is the Strategic Intelligence Division. The gigantic ship is descending. It might be heading to the combat area.
What did you say?
The estimated time of arrival is... Wait, it can't be. It's already near ground level.
Machine guns! There's so many! The outnumber is tenfold! guns. So far, the identity of the flying objects remains unclear as governments worldwide deny involvement. And it hasn't been confirmed whether other organizations are involved. Although the government promised to clarify the situation, the current state is in chaos for authorities in question, so the situation remains obscure.
Good job, civilian.
Machine guns, fire!
I need information. What are we fighting against?
Hostile forces.
What exactly does hostile forces mean?
Huh? Sergeant! This is not good!
What is that? It's as large as the city! Is it a spaceship? Could it be? Aliens? Machine guns, fire!
I'm shooting!
Hello? My brother said he saw a monster. It's the size of an elephant. Huh? No? Why? Why don't you believe me?
The enemy's coming. It's all or nothing.
Time to wake up. This is such a wild dream. There are no such things as monsters. Machine guns.
Ready for battle.
Keep your guard up! Sir, yes, sir!
Machine guns. Machine guns. Machine gun fire. Start.
Do you know the enemy's location?
Flying saucers! Flying saucers are coming out! It's not a terrorist attack! It's an alien invasion! Machine guns, fire!
What the hell is that?
There aren't any safe places anymore. Not on Earth, at least.
Is it a new weapon made by another country?
What are those?
They look like flying saucers.
Are they enemies?
Should we really stay here? Prepare for battle!
Yes, sir! Son, save me!
Save me!
Enemy's coming!
They're attacking us!
Fire! Shoot them down! Wipe them out.
The enemy's coming.
Ready to shoot!
This is HQ. The flying saucers are dangerous. Permission to attack granted.
Bring it on!
Look! The flying saucers were shot down! Our weapons work!
Watch this!
We need a captain!
We can't fight!
Flying saucers spotted!
There are too many!
You're not close enough! Let's wait for the enemy to get in range first!
Where's the replacement commander?
We need rescue! Should we really stay here?
We analyzed their pattern of action. We think that these weapons are autonomous battle drones, and I am afraid their targets are humans.
Unmanned killing weapons, huh? If we let them run rampage, it will result in unimaginable casualties. We must shoot them all down.
Goddamn terrorists! I promise I will make you pay! American protect the people! It's our duty!
There should be laws against the use of battle.
Which freaking country sent those things?
Face the reality. It's an alien invasion.
No time for jokes!
This is Hummer. We're in position.
Very well. The anti-material rifle should be able to shoot down those drones.
Down!
Engage the enemy.
Roger.
This is Wing Diver. We have arrived on the scene. All members are equipped with Equipment D.
Emergency. Very well. Attack the flying saucers. Don't spare any drones, or they will attack civilians. Destroy them all.
More flying saucers incoming!
There are too many of them!
Emergency contact.
Flying saucers are attacking humans. Civilians are in danger, so shoot down as many of them as possible.
So far, no substantial information about the flying objects could be obtained. Governments of all countries are still denying any sort of involvement. However, there are only a limited number of forces that can perform such a large-scale attack. In order to find out the truth, the suspected parties should be closely monitored. Investigations ought to be pursued and appropriate enforcement actions taken.
Civilian, show me the enemy field.
Terrorists can't possibly create such weapons. And we seem to be a powerful country.
Are you hurt?
Let's stay here.
You dare to kill my men!
The gigantic mothership is moving. Looks like it's activating some kind of device. We'd better evacuate!
Please prioritize intelligence collection.
Did you hear that? She says casualties are not important.
Hell is that device?
Look! It's a cannon, isn't it?
Wait a minute. I don't like the look of it.
They're preparing to attack!
Wait!
Too late to get back.
Retreat!
Did it!
Fall back! Fall back! Ah!
Win. We need an operation.
No doubt! Those things are aliens! This is not just a world war, it is a space war!
Civilian, I'll protect you. Please reply.
This is Strategic Command Headquarters.
What do you mean by hostile forces? Please tell me which force specifically.
They're back! What is the Air Force doing?
Disconnected.
There are just way too many! At this rate, we will all die!
A civilian? Why would he know about the
Drones will hunt us down sooner or later. If we want to live, we must fight back.
Yeah! When can I wake up from this nightmare? I'll wake up in my bed, right? The gigantic ship is ascending!
Leave the gigantic ship to the Air Force. Ground troops, shoot down the drones. Sight. Hey, we'll jump off the roof. Get on. Powered exoskeletons, initiate combat. Arms 1, initiate combat. Show them the power of powered exoskeletons.
A great number of drones were dispatched from the gigantic ship. There are thousands of them. The drones split into teams of hundreds. Citizens are in great danger now.
Crap! I don't know who they are, but are they really going to start a war?
Sergeant, take the civilians to a safe place.
Don't let your guards down.